We're going to look at Dandasana, staff pose, using the wall as a prop. This is a very simple pose on the surface, but it's a very powerful pose in terms of building better posture and strength in the low back. We're going to start with a mat on the floor and a block. The block will be placed against the wall. It can be done in this position or this position. The idea is that we want a stable process or stable area, which is the sacrum and low back, in which to get more length in the spine. So start off with the block in this position. Actually, let's do this way, the medium position length, and have that across the sacrum, which is the low part of the hip. And a really nice cue is to tip the hip forward at first so that when you sit up, it's in a anchored position. So if your hamstrings are tight, just this position would be a very helpful way to start to build the pose. Notice I'm trying to get as much height as I can out of my chest. I'm trying to bring the head closer to the wall. I'm isometrically pulling my elbows away from my hands so the shoulder blades are getting closer to the spine. So don't underestimate the value of this position. A lot of times in regular life we will be rounding the back quite a bit, so the spine never really experiences its natural position. So this block back here allows you to experience lifting from there. If this is a comfortable position, you can start to lengthen the legs. Maybe this is as far as you can go. I like to have my hands underneath here to protect the back of the knee. And also, this allows me to isometrically pull back that same action we just talked about, because it's important to get the rhomboids between the shoulder blades and spine to have them more toned. If this is an okay position for you, you can start to lengthen the legs a little bit. A little nuance that you might not see in the camera, I have my fingers on the inner side of the thighs, so as I pull my legs down, I'm also rotating them internally. This gives you a little bit of an edge to get a better sitting position. If that's comfortable, you can then take the hands, fingers forward with the heel of the hand close to the wall. Notice that as I pull my shoulder blades back, the pec minor and the pec general also start to stretch. The serratus starts to stretch. These are important in creating height in the chest. So now I have my elbows right against the wall. So I refine the pose by lifting up the bottom of the heart, lifting up the collarbones. Now start to bring the head back a little bit more, as vertical as you can. Once you achieve this position or any of the previous positions, a lot of the benefit of the pose comes from breathing a little bit deeper into the pose, expanding the lungs in this new found height in the spine.